So this is a 1985 380 SL that my wife wanted. Well, not this one in particular, but she wanted one that we could work on and fix up. So I bought this for $5,500, and I was definitely rushed buying it. So I overlooked quite a few things that is just unfortunate. So rotors destroyed, calipers need to at least be refinished, brake pads are going to replace. That looks cracked. Don't know what that was or where it goes. Struts need to be replaced. There's oil leaks everywhere. Looks like they might have hit something there. Subframe bushing, it's gone. Same on this side. Tie rod gone. Exhaust destroyed. Sway bar bushing destroyed. This caliper might be locked up. It's really hard to spin this. Why are these? It can't. It's supposed to be like that. It can't. Leaking from every place it can possibly leak. Well, it looks like it's on the verge of being stripped out. Leaking from who knows where. Everywhere. The whole car like jumps when you put it in reverse or something, or any gear. So I don't know if the transmission mount is. This engine looks decent from up here, which is really all I looked at when I bought it because I'm an idiot. Inside of the car is pretty much destroyed, as you would imagine. That is a dash cover, which is put on pretty poorly. The knob on the parking brake release. The AC does not work as he said it did. Blowing only out of the top defrost, so there's some kind of vacuum actuator in here that's broken. Does not blow cold. Aftermarket radio does not work. Pillars are pretty bad. Two different colors there for sure. The seats don't slide up or do anything really. This is broken. The antenna destroyed. Third brake light should be there. Where is it, you ask? It's here. It's broken. When you open the gas cover, it's very stuck and it catches right there. The car was definitely repainted. Badly repainted. This has like silicone in it. It's probably leaking. It's definitely leaking because it was, carpets are like wet. There's no structural rust, which is one of the main things I was looking for. It's an 85, so it does have the dual row timing chain. It doesn't make any noise when it was started, so I think the timing chain's okay. I'm definitely gonna check it. I guess this is the good stuff about the car. It looks like it has new spark plug wires. Looks like a new rotor and cap. Has new fuel pump and filter assembly. Has rust coming through there. It's not good. It has 140 something thousand miles on it. This looks good, huh? I'm thinking when I eventually repaint it, just getting rid of this altogether. I don't really even like the look of the third brake light. A wet towel, so that's a good sign. It's wet. This is broken. Gas pedal, like, doesn't really do anything in the first part of it. Pedal might be broken altogether, or the linkage. And there is some rust here. Small hole all the way through there. Another one on that side. This latch here was kind of giving me some problems because I believe this portion here might be a little stripped out. This part has like some silicone all in here. And on this side, it's really bad. It's two different pieces there. So what do you guys think? Did I get completely screwed for $5,500? I think so. I think it's probably worth $3,000, $4,000 maybe in this condition. I don't know. I wanted a project. I want something I could work on. I didn't want this many problems per se. I wanted to be able to have my wife drive it around while I was working on it, but in this condition, I'm not letting her drive it anywhere. So gotta fix some of the major safety issues, and then hopefully we can drive it around and fix some of the stuff in between, which I'm gonna try to document it, put it on YouTube, and if you guys like it, you can watch it.